Now, before we go for the calculations of questions on this topic, take a number of moles, calculation of particles calculation, some more information is required to us for doing questions. We will cover those terms and then we come on question calculation on this topic, moles, particles, calculation based questions. Okay? तो हमारा क्या आपके और टर्म्स आएंगे. नेक्स्ट टर्म टेकन इज योर इन एटम थ्री फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल्स, उसका मास चार्ज आपको पता होना चाहिए. लाइक इन एटम वी हैव थ्री फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल्स. क्या होंगे एटम्स में? डिफरेंट पार्टिकल्स हियर. Particle discovery by mass charge in SI system, charge in CGS system, and will be finally relative charge. ये आपको सारा इंफॉर्मेशन पता होना जरूरी है, बिकॉज समटाइम क्वेश्चंस इंफॉर्मेशन may not be given और given at different place, तो आपको ढूंढना पड़ता है कि कहाँ पे लिखा था, कितना वैल्यू है, स्पेशली मास का और चार्ज का. तो ये आप थोड़ा ध्यान से देंगे इसको यूज करने के लिए. लेट अस टेक दिस इंफॉर्मेशन. फर्स्ट इट इज पार्टिकल. वी कैन हैव थ्री पार्टिकल्स टेकन. वन इज इलेक्ट्रॉन, सेकंड टेकन प्रोटॉन, थर्ड टेकन इज न्यूट्रॉन. फर्स्ट टेक इलेक्ट्रॉन डिस्कवरी वाज डन बाय सर J.J. थॉमसन. Proton by E. Goldstein. Then neutron was discovered by James Chadwick. Mass of electron taken 9.1 into 10 to power minus 31 kg. Mass of proton is how much? 1.672 into 10 to power minus 27 kg. Mass of neutron 1.675 into 10 to power minus 27 kg. Nearly equal. Charge is how much of electron? Minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. It is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. And for neutron, zero charge. Particle is neutral particle. What is charge taken in CGS system? In CGS system, the charge of electron is minus 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 ESU, electrostatic units. यहाँ पे plus 4.8 into 10 to the power minus 10 ESU. Again, no charge. It is lowest value given minus 1, plus 1, it is 0. Electron has smallest charge, so given the value or relative charge minus 1, proton plus 1, neutrons 0 charge. So electron discovered by Sir J.J. Thomson, proton by E. Goldstein, neutron by James Chadwick. Mass of electron 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. प्रोटॉन न्यूट्रॉन आर नियरली सेम मास. कितना है मास ऑफ प्रोटॉन? 1.672 into 10 to power minus 27 kg. For neutron 1.675 into 10 to power minus 27 kg. Charge of electron minus 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19 coulombs. For proton same magnitude sign opposite. Neutrons are neutral. In CGS system, charge of electron is minus 4.8 into 10 to power minus 10 ESU. For proton, again same sign opposite. It is 1 unit charge minus 1 plus 1, it is 0. We have taken 1 unit ESU. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? 1 ESU और electrostatic unit is equal to how much? It is 1 by 3 into 10 to power 9 coulombs. Or we can take 1 coulomb is equal to 1 coulomb is equal to how much? 3 into 10 to power 9 ESU. It is short taken. ESU, C for coulomb. 1 coulomb is equal to 3 into 10 to power 9 ESU, electrostatic units. लिख लिया पूरा. आपका अगला टर्म आएगा इसमें एटॉमिक नंबर. Atomic number symbol is Z. What is atomic number? It is normally known to you from class 9th, even class 8th. You know this value, atomic number, mass number. What is atomic number indicate? It is number of protons or number of electrons in neutral atom. When atom is neutral without charge, then in neutral atom, actually what happens? In neutral atom, the cationic charge should be equal to anionic charge. Means protons carry +1 charge per proton and electron carry -1 charge per electron. Atom as a whole is electrically neutral. So in the atom, number of protons are equal to number of electrons. So we can take any one value, number of protons or number of electrons in neutral atom. Actually, when they lose electrons from positive ions, when they gain electrons they form negative ions. Electrons will not remain constant, but protons will remain always fixed in an atom. Then next term taken is mass number. Mass number A. What is mass number? It is number of protons plus number of neutrons in an atom. In an atom, number of protons plus number of neutrons will be equal to mass number of the element. For writing symbol of element, we take symbol of element like X is some element. We write Z atomic number here and mass number here. If I write suppose here sulfur, it has 16 atomic number, 32 is mass number. We can write here. What is symbol of elements? We write X is the symbol of element, Z is atomic number, and A is the mass number of the element. So in this case, suppose they ask you what is number of protons? 16. Electrons will be same because charge is not there. What is neutrons number? 32 minus 16 will be 16 only. So to find the number of neutrons, we can take it is mass number minus number of protons. Give the number of neutrons. I hope it is clear. Atomic number, mass number. One thing to remember always: whenever atom lose electron, they form positive ions, cations, how much charge they can have equal to the electrons lost, or when they gain electrons they form negative ions, we call them anions. In cations or anions formation, what happen, they change only electrons, but number of protons, number of neutrons, mass number, atomic number will remain always fixed. If I take one example of this point, I will take one example to explain this point. आपको दिया है suppose sulfur atom, it have atomic number, or it's sulfur taken with chlorine. Phosphorus taken, atomic number 15, mass number is 31. Let us take here. We can take iron, atomic number is 28, mass number is 56. ठीक है, तो in two cases, if I write here ions, if I write atom or ion, atomic number, mass number, number of protons, number of neutrons, number of electrons, let's say up to here, we require to find. If I suppose take atom phosphorus, I take then P3, I take iron plus 2 state, iron plus 3 state. If I take this is to be filled, this information to be filled in the given box. A small practice on atomic number, mass number and some observations will help you in solving questions coming ahead. Let's say phosphorus, what is atomic number? 15. This remains 15 for atom or ions both. Mass number 31 again remains same for atom or ions both. Number of protons 15 remain unchanged. Number of neutrons difference 16 remain unchanged. Electrons will be how much here? 15, and here they gain 3 electron, so plus 3, that is how much? 18 electrons. We take a phosphorus atom, will gain 3 electron, then form P3 negative ion, and this is called as negative ions, we call them anions. क्या होता है इसको? Negative ions we call them anions. If I take iron atom can lose electron. If it lose 2 electrons, it form Fe plus 2 charge. If iron atom lose 3 electrons, then charge is plus 3. In both the case, iron will carry charge positive. We call such ions as cations plus charge. क्या होते हैं? Positive ions are called as cations. क्रॉस होता है ना, कटे हुए प्लस चार्ज, अनायंस में चार्ज नेगेटिव होता है. ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे देखिए, when the atom will lose electron, they have plus charge. How much charge coming on atoms by losing electron equal to electron loss plus 2 charge here. When iron lose 3 electrons, will have plus 3 charge, and when an atom gain electrons, it will have negative charge. How much charge negative is coming? Equal to electron gain minus 3 charge. Okay, that is how anions and cations are formed. That is anion, for example, either cations. So for cations, for the data, iron atom, what is atomic number? 28. Will be same in both the case. Mass number 56, same in both the case. Number of protons same 28 in both the case. Number of neutrons again same 28 each. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स विल वेरी, कितना इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन आएगा 28 minus 2 26, 28 minus 3 25. So you can see from this information कि whenever atom lose electron or they gain electrons, in either case, in either or both of all the cases, atomic number, mass number, number of protons, number of neutrons, they will remain unaffected. वो चेंज नहीं होते हैं। क्या चेंज होगा इसमें? खाली नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स। यहां पर कितना पे इलेक्ट्रॉन्स थे 15 या 15 है बिकॉज एटम इज न्यूट्रल। इफ इट इज अनायन तो +3 इन कैटायंस, subtract the electron equal to the charge of the cation. So I hope it is clear. Determination of number of atoms science, because sometime in school examinations or sometime we take in object and entrance sometimes, but not common because they are very elementary questions which is normally known to the student from class 9th 10th itself. I just given practice कि किसी बच्चे ने अगर कुछ कहीं पे किसी को प्रॉब्लम है तो आप उसको देख सकते हैं, otherwise we will move to next point. The next term taken is isotopes. What are isotopes? लिखिए इसका definition लिखो. They are the atoms of same element. Write down. Atoms of same element having same atomic number. Same atomic number but different mass number. Same atomic number but different mass number. We call them isotopes. क्या होता है? They have same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. Meaning they are the atoms of same element. They are the atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass number. Example taken here, like for hydrogen, we can have 3 isotopes: 1H1, 1H2, or deuterium, 1H3 or tritium T. 1H1 is called as protium, commonly used hydrogen. 1H2 is called symbol D for deuterium. 1H3 is called tritium. Among them, this last one is radioactive. You know what is radioactivity? They emit different radioactive rays, alpha, beta, gamma rays. It is a beta emitting substance. Tritium is a beta particle emitter isotope of hydrogen, radioactive in nature. We can take in chlorine. It is chlorine 35, 17. Chlorine 37, 17. Oxygen have O16, O17, O18. Similarly, nitrogen have N14, N15. Carbon have C12, C13, C14. But definitely some are traces, some are quite abundant in nature. Now, you know the consequence of this isotopes, that the elements are having mostly fractional atomic masses. We can have many elements which have fractional atomic masses. आप कहेंगे कि mass number तो था whole number. Then how the element are fractional atomic mass? The common reason is there that they contain isotopes in different relative abundance in earth, crust or atmosphere. In different isotopes are there having different amount percentage in nature. That percentage will help to find the element's average atomic mass, which is only given fraction. Like for chlorine, what is atomic mass? We write 35.5. How it is coming? We have 2 isotopes, 35, 37. So actually take one term called average atomic mass. What is average atomic mass? It is taken A1 into RA plus A2 into RA. If you multiply more by 100. इसमें आपका क्या क्या टर्म्स है, इफ एट A1 A2 etc. they indicate isotopic masses, they indicate isotopic masses, and RA stand for relative abundance in percentage of different isotopes. RA stand for relative abundance in percentage. This formula is used in solving questions. You get an examination in entrance questions on this formula base. They can give you isotopes, either they given the relative abundance or they are giving their average atomic mass, then to find the relative abundance. Or question can be reversed, if they give the relative abundance, find the element average atomic mass. On this, the questions have been asked frequently. Even your NCERT part 1, some basic concepts of chemistry chapter, we are teaching under heading Bohr concept. वहाँ भी दिए questions हैं on calculation of average atomic mass of the elements. ठीक है? Like we take for chlorine. For chlorine we are given the average atomic mass 35.5, and chlorine have two isotopes, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37 are given for chlorine two isotopes. The question now given is to find the relative abundance of two isotopes in nature. How to find the two isotopes relative abundance in nature? In percentage terms, so we are given two isotopes only, so we can take, let chlorine 35 is taken X percentage, then what is chlorine 37, remaining 106. Since we have two isotopes only, if one is X percentage, what is second one, remaining 106 percentage. समझ आ रही है? So apply this formula. What is average atomic mass? Already formula is given, so let's apply directly. It is 35.5 is equal to A1 for one isotope mass number 35 into X percentage, for second mass number 37 into 106 by 100. That's all. You can solve this part. On solving, what is X coming here? 75%, and rest will be your, it is chlorine 35. It has how much abundance? And chlorine 37 will have how much abundance? Remaining 25%. So you can say chlorine contribute less is 37, more contributing is chlorine 35. That is how in different cases you may get question. You can get question on either way. Like if they give the value of percentage abundance, then find the average atomic mass. Or reverse, they give for the element average atomic mass, then they ask you to find the percentage of isotopes, like this question has been given. Values can be given bit like more accurately, like I just taken the value slight approximation because the value can be given 34.99 like this. So in the question whatever value is given, you take that values for solving the question on this calculation of average atomic mass. So one thing you can see more, that the isotopes are having different atomic masses but same atomic number. So for same element, when we find the average atomic mass, it is average of all the isotopes. And then the common region, this is a common region why the elements are having fractional atomic masses, because this is taken their average atomic mass. Different isotopes are having different percentage in nature. 1 point. Second point taken, that their mass average is taken. So for this region contain element are having fractional atomic masses. आपका एक क्वेश्चन पर पूछा हुआ था आईटी के अंदर है कि एक्सप्लेन व्हाई द एलिमेंट्स आर हैविंग फ्रैक्शनल एटॉमिक मास. तो क्या रीजन हुआ इसका? पहला पॉइंट क्या था? दे हैव आइसोटोप्स हैविंग डिफरेंट एटॉमिक मास, एंड देन फॉर द एलिमेंट atomic mass is not absolute, it is relative, average of all the isotopes atomic masses. I hope I am clear. Then next one taken is here isobars. What are isobars? देखिए क्या होते हैं? बार का मतलब मास, सेम मास, they are having different atomic mass, atomic number, but same mass number. You can write the definition yourself. लिखिए, they are the atoms of different elements having different atomic number but same mass number. लिख लिया? They are the atoms of different elements. Different element means they have different atomic number but same mass number. लिख लिया? एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा इसके लिए? We can take C14, nitrogen 14. They are having different atomic number but same mass number. We can call them isobars. So we can have different examples like one example this one taken here. So we can have many cases where the elements can have same mass number but they have different atomic numbers. We call them isobars. नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल टेकन आइसोटोन्स. ये क्या होते हैं? टोन्स मींस फॉर न्यूट्रॉन्स. मेमोराइज न्यूट्रॉन्स, टोन्स. लाइक इसमें क्या होता है? दे आर द, लिखिए रेड डेफिनेशन, दे आर द एटम्स ऑफ डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स हैविंग डिफरेंट एटॉमिक नंबर एंड डिफरेंट मास नंबर. Having different atomic number and different mass number but same number of neutrons. Like what they have? Different atomic number and mass number but same number of neutrons. Examples can be taken here like nitrogen 15, C14, O16. Now what is happening here? What is atomic number, mass number and neutrons? In all the cases you can compare. What is atomic number? 6, 7, 8. Mass number 14, 15, 16. So what is neutrons? This minus this 8, 8, 8. So they contain same number of neutrons. We call them isotones. They don't have same atomic number because if they have same atomic number, they will become isotopes. If they have same mass number, they become isobars. तो क्या हुआ? Different atomic number, different mass number, but number of neutrons are same. In all such cases, we call them isotones. I hope it is clear. Isotones. Next one taken is isosters. ये क्या होते हैं? Right definition of isosters. लिख लीजिए. They are the molecules of different compounds. Having same number of atoms and same number of electrons. Having same number of atoms and same number of electrons. क्या होगा सेम? एटम्स सेम होंगे, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का नंबर सेम होता है. We call them isosters. एग्जांपल्स क्या होंगे इसमें? CO2 molecule and N2O molecule. Example, let's say CO2 molecule and N2O molecule. इसमें कितना दिया? नंबर ऑफ एटम्स 3 3 1 plus 2 2 plus 1. What is number of electrons in them? 1 atom carbon 6 electron, 2 atom oxygen 2 into 6 8, 22 electrons. In this case 2 atom nitrogen plus 1 atom oxygen 8. We have how much contribution? 14 plus 8 22. Such molecules are called isosters. क्या होते हैं molecules? The molecules of different compounds having same number of atoms and also having same number of electrons. We call them isosters. We call them isosters. समझ आया? isosters क्या होते हैं? Molecules of different substance, same atoms, same electrons. Next datum, isodiaphers. Isodiaphers. Actually, we can define them two ways. We can define them one way. This term I will explain a bit elaborately in topic nuclear chemistry in class 12. Topic is here. आपका मेडिकल में नहीं है, सॉरी एनसीईआरटी में नहीं है, बट आपका जे एडवांस के अंदर है कोर्स के अंदर, एज वेल एज इन आल्सो एम्स दैट चैप्टर्स देयर. तो आपको पढ़ाएंगे इसको इन चैप्टर काइनेटिक्स, आफ्टर काइनेटिक्स. तो क्या होते हैं आइसोडायफर्स? वी कैन डिफाइन देम टू वे. One definition taken: a nuclei, it is for nuclear reactions, nuclei and its alpha decay product are called isodiaphers, or they have different atomic number and mass number, but same difference between number of neutrons and protons. Same difference. Your same difference between the number of neutrons and protons means same n minus p value. They are obtained in nuclear reaction. पहला पार्ट क्या लिखा? A nuclei and alpha decay product. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? When some atom decay by emission of alpha particle. You know alpha particle क्या होता है? Helium nucleus. Yes, correct. What is alpha particle? It is same as helium atom, which have lost both electrons. We write symbol by this one here. It is helium dipositive ion. Helium plus 2 ion can be called alpha particle. Example of reaction taken is thorium. 90s atomic number, mass number 232. When decay, it can give radium 88 atomic number, mass number is 228. It is giving by decay of alpha particle, the symbol of alpha particle. When thorium decay by emission of 1 alpha, इसमें होता क्या? देखिए, एटॉमिक नंबर आपका बैलेंस रहना चाहिए. यहाँ पे है 88 plus 2 90 हो गया, यहाँ पे है 228 plus 4 232 हो गया. On both side of equation, the atomic number and mass number should be balanced. उसको देख लेंगे. तो let us compare. What is atomic number? 90, 88. Mass number 232, 228. Different हो गया. Different atomic number, different mass number. Number of protons same as atomic number. Number of neutrons कितना होता है? A minus Z 232 minus 90 कितना हो गया? 142. यहाँ पे 228 minus 88 कितना हो गया? 140. What is n minus p value? 142 minus 90 कितना हुआ ये? 52. What is n minus p value here? न्यूट्रॉन्स कितना है? 140 माइनस प्रोटॉन्स 80 कितना हो जाएगा ये? 52. तो how we define them? They are the isotopes. They are the atoms of different elements having different atomic number, different mass number, but they have same difference between the number of neutrons and protons. Same difference between the number of neutrons and protons. कितना दोनों का वैल्यू दिया है, n माइनस पी का वैल्यू 52 है. कैसे? न्यूट्रॉन्स माइनस प्रोटॉन्स. यहाँ पे कितना है, n माइनस पी का वैल्यू 140 माइनस 88 52. We call them isodiaphers. समझ में आया? Isodiaphers, they are obtained in nuclear reactions. It is a nuclear reaction where the thorium decay by emission of an alpha particle. क्या देगा आपको यहाँ पे? रेडियम. कितना इसका दिया है? एटॉमिक नंबर, मास नंबर +2 आपका इतना हो जाएगा, +4 आपका इतना हो जाएगा. तो इन इट इज अ न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन. न्यूक्लियर रिएक्शन आर बैलेंस इन टर्म्स ऑफ एटॉमिक नंबर ऑन बोथ साइड्स and also in terms of mass number on both sides. We will discuss about them in details in topic nuclear chemistry in class 12. लिखा पूरा आपने? न्यूक्लियर आइसोमर्स. न्यूक्लियर आइसोमर्स ये क्या होता है, लिख लीजिए इसके बारे में. They are the atoms of same element, meaning they have same atomic number, and same mass number, but different nuclear properties. Why they have? इसका मीनिंग क्या है न्यूक्लियर प्रॉपर्टी का? द मीनिंग इज दैट ऑफ न्यूक्लियर प्रॉपर्टी दैट दे हैव डिफरेंट एनर्जी स्टेट ऑफ न्यूक्लियाई. दे हैव डिफरेंट एनर्जी स्टेट ऑफ न्यूक्लियाई. सो दे हैव डिफरेंट डिके पीरियड्स, डिफरेंट हाफ लाइफ पीरियड्स. द टाइम इन विच half mount decomposes is called as half life period. So they have different, they have same atomic number and same mass number, but different nuclear properties. We call them nuclear isomers. Example taken, uranium can have two isomers. One is nuclear uranium X, other is uranium Y. So they are the examples of nuclear isomers with different nuclear properties. Why they have different nuclear properties? Because of different energy states. Because of different energy states of nuclei, they are having different nuclear properties. ठीक है? तो ये हमारा टॉपिक होता है टर्म्स का इंट्रोडक्शन. तो लेट अस समराइज कि वी हैव डिस्कस्ड टिल नाउ डिफरेंट टर्म्स इन्वॉल्व: एटॉमिक नंबर, मास नंबर, isomers, isotopes, isodiaphers, isosters, atomic mass unit or mass unit, atomic mass, gram atomic mass, molecular mass, gram molecular mass, calculation of average atomic mass of elements, number of moles calculation for gases, particles if given or weight given. So about this terms number of moles calculation based questions we will discuss in next class. Okay.